Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're tackling something we all sacrifice but desperately need: sleep. Ever feel foggy, irritable, or just off after a bad night? That's not coincidence, it's biology screaming for help. Let's break down why sleep isn't optional. It's your secret weapon for health, focus, and longevity. First, let's reframe sleep. It's not downtime, it's highly active maintenance. Here's what happens when you sleep well. First, your brain cleans house. Deep sleep clears toxins like beta amyloid, linked to Alzheimer's, and consolidates memories. Think of it as hitting save on your day's learning. Second, your body repairs itself. Growth hormone peaks, repairing muscles, tissues, and boosting immunity. There's cytokines fighting infections. They're produced during sleep. Third, your metabolism balances. Sleep regulates leptin, fullness hormone, and ghrelin, hunger hormone. Skimp on sleep, and you'll crave junk food uncontrollably. Fourth, emotions reset. Sleep calms the amygdala, your brain's panic button, and strengthens the prefrontal cortex, your rational CEO. This leads to better mood control. Now, the scary part. When you cut sleep short, you're taking out loans against your health. Here's the interest you pay. Number 1. Immediate brain fog. Just one night of poor sleep reduces concentration, slows reaction times, equivalent to a 0.05% blood alcohol level, and cripples decision-making. Ever misplace your keys or blank mid-sentence? That's sleep debt. Number 2. Emotional roller coasters. Sleep loss hijacks your amygdala. Small stresses feel like emergencies. Anxiety spikes, patience vanishes. Number 3. Long-term health risks. Chronic sleep deprivation is like withdrawing from a bank account without ever depositing. Over time, this leads to 50% or more higher risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Weakened immunity, you get sick easier. Accelerated brain aging and higher Alzheimer's risk. Anxiety and depression. Sleep loss isn't just a symptom, it fuels mental health crises. Ready to reclaim your sleep? Here's your action plan. 1. Prioritize consistency. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily. Yes, even weekends. Your circadian rhythm thrives on routine. 2. Optimize your cave. Make your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Ban screens 1 hour before bed. Blue light murders melatonin. 3. Wind down wisely. Replace scrolling with a 20-minute ritual. Read a book, meditate, or take a warm shower. 4. Daytime habits. Get sunlight in the morning. Exercise, but not too late. Avoid caffeine after noon. 5th, if you struggle, try CBTI, Cognitive Behavioral Therapy for Insomnia. It's gold standard for sleep retraining. If you snore or gasp, see a doctor for sleep apnea screening. Sleep isn't laziness, it's biological non-negotiable. Every hour you invest pays dividends in sharper focus, stronger health, and a calmer mind. Don't bankrupt your future self. Hit pause on the hustle tonight. Your body will thank you. What's your biggest sleep struggle? Share below. If this resonated, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more science-backed health tips, and hit the bell so you never miss an episode. For more, visit personalnews.online. Sleep well.